And they took these converted Jews, and they took them all to Israel, and by weaponry, by guns, they displaced the people who were in that land and carved out a place for these converted Jews to be there. And that's been the fight ever since. Because the Palestinians say that this is our land. And the people that you've bought here to give the land to, they are not connected to the land, neither are they the people of this land. And the place will never have peace because the people who are truly connected to the land are not in place.